Hey, on this episode, we're going to travel west. We're going to head out of state with Mr. Rob Drone and Wes White. But first, we're going to follow along with Rob Drone on an archery hunt. See how he does. Sometimes he does all right, and sometimes he struggles a little.
I'll say Rob is usually a man of few words, but he usually gets it done on his deer hunts.
Well, it's the afternoon, first day here in Kansas. Switched to a different spot here today to try and take advantage of some wind, but we got high pressure overhead and it comes from every direction, so we're just hoping and praying that we get one to walk by this afternoon. Just a beautiful day, great spot to see deer here. Unfortunately, it kicked up a large buck on the walk-in, but what are you gonna do? But there's more than one big one in here. We'll see if we can't find another one. Shooting big bucks with a bow is hard, right? Yeah, so battling this high pressure and these swirling winds. And we came awfully close there on that one. That was a big 8-point with a sticker on it. I would have shot him any day of the week. But now the wind's perfect. But we've been in here for an hour. Seen a shooter walking in, had a shooter just about come in and die, so we're gonna stick it out for the rest of the afternoon. See if we can't see another one.
Hey, if you like what you see, be sure to check us out on social media.
Yeah, like I'm doing right now, Snapgram, Face Chat, Instabook, Twitter Box, all those cool things on the interweb.
Those aren't things. Go to Art Helen Outdoors and Own the Season and like, share, and follow us on all your favorite social media outlets for the latest content.
Own the Season TV is brought to you by Cyclops, Cold Steel, Stealth Cam, Hunter Specialties, New Archery Products, Hawk, Walkers, Tenzing, Scent Slammer, Wild Game Innovations.
Well, we finally seen some animals. We got a little covey of quail come up walking through the draw here. Pretty cool to see, but it's been a slow day. We've been sitting here since first light. It's about 12:30 now. I've yet to see a deer, but pretty confident in this spot. We got some snowflakes flying, which is pretty cool. Hopefully they get on their feet and run around a little bit this afternoon, because it's tough staying patient when you ain't seeing anything. But we're staying warm and gonna stick it out till the end of the day. Grind away. Apparently I can't shoot deer anymore, but I keep trying. Ended up missing the target buck that we were in here for. Came right down. Perfect, exactly how we wanted it to. Just gonna have to keep after it. One of these times, God willing, it'll work out. Kind of bummed right now. Sat all day for that, but we got about 2.5 hours left of daylight. We're gonna stick it out here. See what happens. You never know. There might be another good one in the area. Well, our last afternoon set here in Kansas. We've grinded away 7 days. Back into this spot that we saw a nice buck in on Tuesday, 3 days ago. And he's been somewhat regular on the camera, so we're gonna give it one last shot. Never know what could happen. Well, we're back here at the scene of the crime. It's been 2 hours since I shot. We had to do a little digging to figure out who controls the land next to us that the deer went onto. We acquired permission, so we're gonna go track them up. Hopefully it's a short track job.
Good.
Yeah, double lung, man. You see them bubbles? We did our work to acquire permission, and I don't know how I didn't see him fall down on our property. I mean, he only went 70 yards maybe. Looks like a good double lung hit. Super happy. I mean, such a long week of grinding it out, trying to run into one of these guys. A little bit of redemption from Monday. Super pumped. We're gonna get him cleaned up and then head home to the kids and wife. Love you guys. Can't wait to see you here in another day. Tagged out in Kansas, baby.
Hey, if you like what you see, be sure to check us out on social media.
Yeah, like I'm doing right now, Snapgram, Face Chat, Instabook, Twitter box, all those cool things on the interweb.
Those aren't things. Go to Art Helen Outdoors and own the season, and like, share, and follow us on all your favorite social media outlets for the latest content.